Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials: a compatible Amazon Ethernet adapter, an Ethernet cable, and the Firestick Power/USB. First, plug the adapter into the Fire TV's USB/data port, then connect the Ethernet cable to your router. If your adapter needs external power, plug its USB power into a live outlet or the Fire TV power brick. Once done, give the Firestick a moment to recognize the wired link. Wired beats Wi-Fi for stability and lower latency when streaming. You now configure the Firestick to use the wired connection. Go to Settings, then Network, and you should see a wired option appear automatically. If it doesn't, restart the Fire TV or unplug and replug the adapter and the router port. This forces detection. Once seen, select it to view IP, gateway, and DNS. Use DHCP by default for simplicity. If you need a stable upstream address, configure a static IP and custom DNS. This helps with streaming consistency and parental or corporate network. Finish by validating the connection. Open a streaming app and play a short clip, then run the network test in settings to confirm speed and packet loss. Make sure Fire OS is up to date, since firmware can fix adapter compatibility. If playback stutters, restart the Firestick and router. And if the wired link never appears, power the Ethernet adapter from a USB wall charger or swap router ports and cables. Many problems come from insufficient adapter power or a bad Ethernet lead. Try those fixes first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.